Good morning, everyone. It is the first class, English 4C, Friday, second period. My name is Jose Cruz, and I will be the teacher for this course. All of you, at least the people who are here in this class right now, took my course in April to August. So probably you're not going to have a lot of questions about what we're doing. What I want to do is continue what we did before in the first semester, continue it in the second semester. But this time, I hope we won't have a lot of problems with the coronavirus. What happened last semester was that the coronavirus started becoming very big around August, and we had to cancel the speaking test. So I hope to have a speaking test for you for this class, as well as the do concentrate on that TOEIC test. And as we go through the class, I'll show you how to make sure that the results of that TOEIC test come to me. But just quickly, screen, you can see that, if you have not yet signed up for the class, the best way to find the class is to look for me using hopefully there won't be many problems with the coronavirus. Okay, now there were two classes that I'm scheduling to be on demand. Okay, this one right here, 11/4. That's Friday, November 4th. I'm planning to make that an on-demand class. And this one as well, too, on the 23rd. Going to make that an on-demand class. And the TOEIC day, we're going to be working on that on the 12th and the 16th. There'll be a third on-demand class, and that will be for your written test here on February 3rd. So every time you see OD, that means on demand. Now that means that I won't be here, but if you want to use this room, you can certainly use this room to do your work for the assignments that I'll give you, but we will not actually have a class. So if you want to go to a different part of the university, go to the cafeteria, that's fine too. Okay. Now, your working in Japan units are going to be number 3, number 10, number 11. We'll be paying particular attention to those, and but basically doing a lot of the same work that we had before. Some of you had some problems with the Safe Exam Browser last semester. Some of you are having problems with the way that your extensions were using the Safe Exam Browser. So please make sure that you fix those problems before we take the test, especially the written test in February. So all of the quizzes, all of the listening quizzes, reading quizzes, writing quizzes, they are all using the Safe Exam browser. And if you have any problems with the Safe Exam browser, please come and tell me so that we don't have the same problems we had in the first semester. And that's basically what I wanted to tell you. I'm sure that all of you still have my email address. That shouldn't be a problem. But if you do have any questions, please come and talk to me at jdmcruz@gmail.com. Otherwise, we'll probably not have a very long class today because I'm not sure everybody's here. Actually, yeah, that's what I wanted to check. So let's check that with you right now while we're still being recorded. Let's take a look at how many people are here. Oh, it doesn't say. That's interesting. Well, it looks like there's at least 20 people. 24 people. Looks like there should be about 24 people in the class. So not everybody is here today. So I'm probably not going to make the class very long. Just want to make sure that everyone starts getting warmed up with everything that we're doing. Otherwise, thank you very much, everyone. Have a good class.